Ah, that new car smell, spotless paint, and 0 miles on the odometer. There's nothing quite like driving a brand new vehicle. But before you hit the gas and blast your favorite playlist, pause. There are a few things you should not do if you want to keep your car in peak condition. Number 1, don't floor the accelerator. Revving your engine or flooring the accelerator too soon can put unnecessary strain on a tight engine. Most manufacturers recommend a break-in period of about 500 to 1,000 miles, so take it easy. Number 2, don't use cruise control too early. Using cruise control during the break-in period isn't great. Your engine and transmission need varying speeds and loads to settle properly. Let the components learn your driving style first. Number 3, don't tow heavy loads. Towing puts added stress on the engine, transmission, and brakes. During the break-in period, avoid towing anything heavy to prevent premature wear. Number 4, don't skip the first oil change. Some new engines produce more metal particles early on. That first oil change is crucial. It gets rid of break-in debris. Stick to your manual's schedule, even if it comes up sooner than expected. Number 5, don't ignore the owner's manual. This isn't just boring paperwork, it contains specific guidelines for your exact make and model break-in procedures, oil type, tire pressure, and more. Skipping it can cost you big later. Number 6, don't overload the vehicle. Adding too much weight to a new car strains the suspension and tires, especially when everything's still settling. Keep things light at first. Number 7, don't brake too hard. Give your brake pads and rotors time to bed in. Aggressive braking can glaze the pads and reduce stopping power. Be smooth, not sudden. Number 8, don't ignore tire pressure. Tire pressure affects everything from fuel economy to handling. New cars sometimes sit for weeks before sale. Check your pressure regularly to avoid uneven wear. Number 9, don't wash with harsh chemicals. That new paint isn't fully cured for a few weeks. Skip the aggressive polishes or automatic car washes with stiff brushes. Hand wash with gentle soap instead. Number 10, don't modify it immediately. Tempted to add a turbo or new exhaust? Wait until your warranty is secure and the car is properly broken in. Some mods can void warranties or mess with factory tuning. Number 11, don't let it idle for long periods. Extended idling can cause carbon buildup in a fresh engine. Keep your startup idling short and avoid warming the car up for 10 minutes just in case. Modern engines don't need it. Number 12, don't neglect your fuel type. If your manual says premium fuel is required, don't cheap out. Using the wrong type can hurt performance or even damage the engine. Number 13, don't assume everything's perfect. Just because it's new doesn't mean it's flawless. Check for recalls, inspect tire wear, and listen for odd noises. Catching small issues early can save you major headaches later. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more car care tips, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite thing about your new ride.